Ever feel like your money just vanishes into thin air? One minute you're paid, the next, poof, gone. You're not alone. We all struggle with our finances sometimes. But what if there was a magical app that could actually help you keep track of your spending and even save money? Enter PocketGuard. But does it actually live up to the hype? Let's dive in. PocketGuard promises a lot: automatic budgeting, easy bill tracking, and even investment advice. Sounds too good to be true? Maybe. Maybe not. The truth is, personal finance apps can be a real game changer or just another digital distraction. So, we're going to put PocketGuard to the test. We'll look at the features, the pros, the cons, and ultimately, whether it's actually worth your time and attention. First things first, let's talk features. PocketGuard shines when it comes to automatic budgeting. It analyzes your income and spending, then creates a budget that's actually achievable. No more arbitrary limits or guilt trips. It also excels at bill tracking. You connect your bank accounts, and PocketGuard automatically identifies and categorizes your bills. This alone can save you tons of time and stress. And let's not forget the investment advice. PocketGuard offers basic investment options and even provides personalized recommendations. Now, is it a replacement for a financial advisor? Absolutely not. But it can be a helpful starting point for beginners. Pros and cons. On the plus side, PocketGuard is incredibly user-friendly. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate even for tech novices. It's also highly personalized. The app adapts to your spending habits and provides tailored recommendations. But there are some downsides. The free version has limitations. You get basic features, but for advanced budgeting and investment tools, you'll need to upgrade to a paid subscription. And while the app is generally reliable, there have been occasional sync issues reported by some users. So, is PocketGuard real? In short, yes and no. It's a real app that offers real value, especially for those who need help getting their finances organized. It's not a magic wand that will instantly solve all your money problems, but it can be a powerful tool for tracking spending, creating a budget, and even taking those first steps towards investing. Ultimately, whether PocketGuard is right for you depends on your individual needs and budget. I recommend trying the free version and seeing if it fits your lifestyle. But remember, no app can replace responsible financial habits. PocketGuard is just one tool in your financial toolkit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.